high-performance computing provides massive computing ability to help with many research areas, such as big data analysis, bioinformatics, aerodynamics, fluid mechanics, climate research, aerospace, and many others. HPC has increasingly been applied to hundreds of sectors and applications due to its ability to solve large and complex computation problems in shorter periods. High Performance Computing Center at King Abdulaziz University has Aziz supercomputer with total of 288,000 node with heterogeneous architecture, consists of 12,000 CPUs, 5,000 GPU core, and 120 many integrated core, and those linked together with high-end network configuration use high-speed InfiniBand cables. All of that specs lead to a benchmark of 230 teraflop.
Assalamu alaikum. We're happy to have you on HPC Center virtual tours that we give you some information about the HPC and the service we are providing, and also to hear some experience that from different users that has used HPC. We are lucky to have HPC in King Abdulaziz University, that the faculty and the student, they have fully computing power on their hand at any time. HPC contain 12,000 CPU that has 288 nodes and 5,000 GPU. All these power that are available for the student and the faculty, and also for anyone outside of KAU based on a contract. This power that the researcher, they take advantage of it when they have a huge data they need to process it. HPC actually work taking the data and process the data based on parallel, not sequential. Talking about sequential and parallel, think about using the data and analyzing the data in your computer. So you finish one process in your computer, you're done from it, you go for the next step, then the next step, whatever field you are in. So the data being increased whenever you process the data, and also you need long time to finish one step to go the second step. But with HPC, with the parallel features, where you do all the process at the same time, also at the same time you divide the process based on different nodes. As talking about, we're having almost 2,000 nodes. The task that being done in 1 hour in HPC could take less than a minute. Also, we have in HPC Center the team that provide the answer for any kind of the question that's related to HPC code, accessing HPC, using different libraries and different coding in HPC, and also they give the users all the idea and the suggestion to improve their code or their processing task on HPC. Also, I will let you to hear from my colleagues about the other services that HPC provide, and also you hear from the user who used HPC on a huge task and really complicated computing task, and also you hear about different researchers that we have in HPC. We are happy to have you, and we are looking forward to work with you, and for any questions we are happy to answer it. We have our website HPC at KAU, and also you can reach us on our email hpc@kau.
Vision: to acquire for the university a world-class high-performance computing capacity, to create next-generation expertise and workforce for the application of HPC, in nurturing a knowledge-based, smarter society and economy. Mission: increase the awareness and the use of high-performance computing for researches and innovative product in KAU, university and society.
My name is Sana Sharaf. I'm an associate professor in Computer Science Department, Faculty of Computing and Information Technology, and currently I am the HPCC Deputy Director for Academic Affairs. Today, inshallah, I'll present briefly the services we provide in the center. We have 5 different services. We have the user customized hardware, software-based services, educational services, training courses, and consultation and customized services. So starting with the first service we have, which is the user customized hardware. And since all Aziz and supercomputer users, they mainly require massive computing powers for challenging problems or big project or research. So they need computing powers. For this reason, we have this package of renting the available resources we have and according to the user's requirements and needs. So we have the a possibility of renting the traditional Intel CPUs, or if they need graphical processing unit GPUs, if they need Xeon Phi or MEC, and if they just need the storage space. So different packages with affordable prices, and also we make sure that we are delivering this service with a high quality possible. The second service we have is software-based services, since as it's important to have the recent and advanced hardware for your problem, it's also important to have the software you need and the suitable software for your project or problem. For this reason, we have a pool of pre-installed libraries and packages in Aziz Supercomputer. These libraries and packages will cover different range of scientific research in various fields, as we have users from different faculties and from different specialties. We have users from chemistry, biochemistry, physics, bioinformatics, and many others fields. So all users can access the libraries we have, and if they need any updates, upgrades, or any new software, they can contact the technical support team, and we will help them in installing any required software if possible. Also, the application developers, they can have extra support regarding the code optimization or how to convert from sequential code to parallel code in order to speed up the execution time. Third service we have is the educational services, and in this package we help the academic universities to set up the high-performance computing curriculum. We provide the HPC material, and if they need lab material and handouts, we also support in this field. As a training courses is our fourth service, and in academic affairs we are preparing every year a plan of training and event plan for all users and for all people who interested in high performance computing. So the courses we have in the training courses, the courses span multiple topics related to high-performance computing, such as message passing interface, MPI, OpenMP, CODA, MEC, scheduling strategies, and also we are trying our best to introduce more courses every year. So for example, last year we introduced MATLAB course, we introduced Python, machine learning, social media analysis, and how to work under the Aziz supercomputer. The last service we have is the consultation and customized services. We started this service 2 years ago when we want to attract more researchers and more people from different domains, different specialties, graduate or undergraduate students as well. So this consultation service is about booking a free time slot as a consultation session with one of our experts. In this session, the researcher or the student will describe and discuss with us their research problem and whether is it beneficial for them to use a supercomputer or not, or how to start using the supercomputer. And after the discussion and after this session, our expert will guide you according to your requirements, whether you are eligible to use a supercomputer or not, and how to start with which suitable plan for you according to needs and requirements. With this, I ended the services we have. Of course, most of our services and training courses are online basis to meet the trainees and to meet our users in their comfort time and comfort zone. HPCC team is keen to provide an integrated support and services for all users and all people interested in high-performance computing. So if you would like to know more about our services and be updated with our recent training and activities and events, kindly visit our website and follow us on our social media accounts.
My name is Mansour Al-Mazroui. I am a PhD holder in climate change, and I obtained my PhD from UK in 2007, and I work for the Center of Excellence for Climate Change Research at King Abdulaziz University. The Aziz supercomputer at King Abdulaziz University was an on-time initiative to boost research facilities in various disciplines, including the activity of the Center of Excellence for Climate Change Research. In a single word, the Center of Excellence for Climate Change Research cannot reach its current glorious status without the support from Aziz and its team. The Climate Change Center is dealing with the climate and climate change. In general, climate and climate change can be obtained and analyzed using simple PC. However, the data processing and analyzing is limited to a limited time and limited size, and usually for the recent past. It's not possible using a PC, and we need a supercomputer for that. Aziz is the right platform to support CCR for generating historical as well as projection scenarios on climate and climate change for local, regional, and global. Without Aziz, the Center of Climate Change cannot generate any climate change data, global and regional climate models.
My name is Wujud Dari. I'm an assistant professor in physics department at King Abdulaziz University. My research field is atomistic modeling for materials. Especially we study two-dimensional materials like graphene and transition metal chalcogenides. We use computational modeling and codes to study the properties of materials at the atomic level that involves so many large number of atoms and particles. So supercomputers is very essential in our work. Really, Aziz helped me in different aspects. First, it's free of charge. So we have computational allocation and time free of charge. I can run many jobs, unlimited number of jobs, and all these things will cost a lot in other supercomputers. So this was very grateful. The other thing is to apply to Aziz is very easy, very clear procedures. All you have to do is just you send the proposal, the form, and within few days you will get username and password if of course your proposal is approved. The other thing is there's a lot of pre-installed softwares in Aziz, and in case if I need any code, special code or special software, all what I have to do, send a request to Aziz team, and in a convenient time they will install it. Also, Aziz provide different wide range of training courses. They provide one-to-one consultation, which is really very great and very helpful. The other thing that is the technical issue. If I have any technical issue, I just send them email. The response from Aziz team is immediate. They keep following with me until the issue is totally resolved. I would like to thank King Abdulaziz University for establishing such a great center, and I extend my gratitude to Aziz Center for their support and effort they provide for all the users.
At the HPC Center, we take pride in collaborating with top quality institutions, academia, industry, governments all around the world. And we develop a range of technologies in collaboration with them at this HPC Center. For example, we have developed technologies, natural language processing technologies for Arabic language. We use these technologies to detect events, for example, related to traffic. We have detected fires. We have detected the fire which happened in Jeddah some time ago in the train station automatically. Some fires were detected automatically as well. We have detected the top diseases in different cities around the country. We have developed computer vision technologies for autonomous vehicles and collaborative autonomous vehicles. DNA profiling methods which are used in forensic science, for example, in crime-related situations, for example, where there is a mixture of blood found and we need to find out how many contributors are there in that blood sample. We have developed technologies to go up to 10 unknowns, which hasn't been done internationally, and this all was possible through the use of HPC resources. Among other works, we have looked at graph computations to find shortest path in the whole US road network. We have used NLP for urban planning, for COVID-19 related studies to find public concerns and government measures. We have done some exploratory studies involving the use of AI and IoT in King Abdullah Economic City, in the new airport in Jeddah. We have done some exploratory studies to understand the provisioning of AI in 6th generation networks. We have done studies to manage privacy, security, quality of service in 5G heterogeneous networks. We have used HPC to model transport data coming from road inductive sensors, data coming from rapid transit systems in London. We believe that anything you are doing, we can help you to improve it. So for example, we can use more data to improve the accuracy of your research and results. We can make your computations faster, so you are able to do more in the same amount of time, and therefore you can develop better solutions. Or we can help you to automate your research pipelines so that your overall productivity can be improved. We can help you to improve your existing products and services. We can help you to develop new products and services. We can help you to reduce the time to develop new products and services. And we can help you to reduce the cost of developing your products. We are aiming to accelerate innovation in Saudi Arabia by working together with you. Whether you are a student, a faculty, someone from industry, from a government organization, entrepreneur, or a lifelong learner, we invite you to be part of this journey. We invite you to join us and be part of this journey.
Processing the future.